Hello, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So, we are continuing with Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended Textbook. So, in which today we are discussing a worked example. So, that is from Making Sense of Algebra. Okay, so Making Sense of Algebra, Chapter 2. So, in which we are discussing this question today. Use algebra to write an expression in terms of h, which represents average height. Okay, 4. We have 4 questions here, so we'll see how to solve this. Okay, so we have to use the letter h for height. So here given a height 12 centimeter shorter than average. This small letter h is the average of height. Okay, so a height, the question is a height 12 centimeter shorter than the average. So the average is this one. So shorter than 12 means we will get h minus 2. Next one, the height 2a taller than the average. The height, we have a height which is 2a taller than the average. So average is h. So 2a taller. So 2a taller than the average. So h plus 2a. Then a height twice the average height. So we have a height but which is twice the average height. So average height is small letter h. So we can write it as 2h. A height half the average height. So that is same as h over 2. So half of the average height is h. So this one you can write it as h divided by 2, it is half, or you can write like this also, h over 2, both are same. You can see the answers here, h minus 12, h plus 2a, 2 times h, that is 2h. The fourth one is h over 2. So that's all about today. We can meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.